Hey guys, from CoImpress Computer. Today guys, I want to show you one of our products. This is the GAMMAXX400 CPU cooler. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so this is the actual box and you get a picture of what it actually looks like. At the bottom you get a nice blue strip with the model number, and this is an actual blue LED light. This will light up in blue. On the other side you get the model number again on a blacked out background. Now this is both for Intel and AMD processor. It has support Heatpipes and it's a PWM fan controller. So if you have a smart BIOS, you can scan it and it'll actually see how fast and what's the lowest point of running on the fan. Now this it says it can be overclocked, but we will not recommend doing that on this particular fan. In the back, you're gonna get some of the instructions, specifications, and the languages. This is some of the dimensions of what it looks like when it's actually assembled. And on the other side, you get again the same model of the actual cooler. And if you turn it around, there you have it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. If you flip it, you got your usual lip, just open it up. And on the inside, you're gonna have the installation instructions. And they're talking about the sockets for your Intel processor. And if you flip it, you're gonna get installation process for the AMD sockets. So take this out, we actually have the cooler, and as you can tell, single fan with your copper and your radiator here. If you flip it, they're talking about your removing this for the thermal paste. This comes preloaded, but we recommend using an aftermarket thermal paste. Now if you move on to the actual box, inside of it you get some of the pieces that you'll need if you need to change from Intel to AMD and vice versa. So that's pretty much it. And sometimes they bring a manual. It didn't come in with a manual since it's over here, so it's pretty straightforward if you're familiar with this stuff. Otherwise you can probably Google up on YouTube a actual video of how to install this. So this it's for your Intel processor, and this one right here is for your AMD processor. So AMD's, the AM4s are coming with that dual bracket that comes preloaded on the motherboards, and you just clip onto these, and then pretty much some of them have a screw, so you just use a screwdriver to make it tight. And you have some other options as well. If you're gonna use the stock one, this is for Intel processor. You just punch it down and then you flip it to the side where it's gonna lock it from the back. They do send you an aftermarket thermal paste. Still we recommend you guys to use an aftermarket, not the stuff that they come with preloaded. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. This is a great cooling system if you're not doing anything crazy. We'll be doing some other unboxing videos about the liquid cooler ones, so make sure you guys stay tuned into that. If you guys have any questions, you can always leave me comments down below or check our website at impresscomputers.com. Thank you.